guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're here at WinnerS and we'll see what great finds we can find today. So we are here in the purses bag. Oh, I see a Kendall and Kylie bag. And guys, look at what we found, a long chump bag for $99. What's this one? This is cute. Oh, a Steve Madden bag for $39. Cute sling bag. What's this? Oh, look at this, an Aldo bag. A black shoulder bag for $39.99. Another Kipling backpack. I think this is a Guess one. Yeah, a Guess bag for $69.99. What else? Found a DKNY bag here, sling bag for $59.99. Oh, and look at this. This is so cute. For $99, the small version. I think I want to get this one, guys. Come here to mama. Oh no, come on. This is so nice, so cute. Nice, cute, small sling bag. What's this one? What else? Oh, look at this one. 34. This is a cute bag here too as well. Oh, and look at this, a DKNY. This is for $59.99. Oh, and I saw a Kendall bag. Kendall and Kylie bag here. There's another white Coach tote bag, a small, I think a mini tote bag for $149. A Juicy Couture backpack for $49. Oh look, I found a pink long chump bag for $149 too. But this is a large one, I think, eh? Long chump. Nice ones. Oh, and look at this, an orange bag from Calvin Klein. And yeah, I think this is all for all the purses here, and we're gonna go for the makeup. We got here some clearance sale. Marc Jacobs here, and a Bite. It's a foundation for $9. Sephora. What's this one? These are all in the clearance sale. We have the Doha cut. Mother Anastasia Beverly Hills. So guys, we are here at the Beauty Essentials. And we got some brushes here. I'm looking for a Sigma brush. Sometimes they have a Sigma brush here, but look at this one. This is a cute one. Oh, a Barbie collection. Contour collection for, let's see. Can't see the price. Oh, for $40.99. This is a cute pink brushes. What else? Lots of blending sponges here for $40.99. Like the colors. And here we have some plumping lip gloss. Oh, this is a Lawless brand for $7.99. It's a classic cream lipstick for $7.99 in the shade 90s. This is cute. What else? Oh, lip gloss from Lawless. And the Smart box. What's this? Oh, a liquid metallic liquid lipstick. More Papaw, Dr. Papaw. Evolutional. I love it. Oh, look at some Marc Jacobs here. Bro Wow Duo. For $12.99. What else? What's this one? More eyebrows. I'm looking for a, what's this one? Handle tip. I am looking for a, oh, we have a Fenty foundation here, you guys. It's a Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I think we got something for my shade. It's $19.99. I think it's too dark though. More Becca products here. And I saw a Clinique one for $16.99. It's a Stay Matte foundation. And look at this one. I saw a Smashbox primer water for $40.99. And another Cara Beauty palette, Beyond the Sky. And this is the shade. I love Cara Beauty products. They are very nice pigmented shadows. I have the yellow one of this collection, and we have another Eco Ordinary, the pink one. And these are the shades out here for $9.99. I like it. What else? Oh, we have the same this one too as well. Oh, look at this. We got a Ysl Eye Palette for $79.99. Cool. Love it. This one, what's this one? Makeup Obsession palette. Oh, we got the ABH Cosmetics, the Mimosa Vibes. It's the shadow palette. Oh, and we have lots here. We got the Travel Series, the Puerto Rico one. Oh, nice colors for $9.99. I got the Los Angeles back. Oh, look. We got the Grease. It's a contour palette. Oh, I found a Tokyo eyeshadow. I want to grab this one. And a Tulum bronzer. They're all Tulum, Puerto Rico, and Los Angeles. I think I'm liking this one. So I got the Tokyo and the Puerto Rico. Let's see. Let's debate which one we're gonna get. I like this one. This is a colorful one, and you can create lots of colorful shadows using this one. So yeah, I think I want this one. And I found another one here. What's this? It's a 6-color face palette. It's still BH Cosmetics for $7.99. And we have a NYX Professional Makeup Eyeshadow here. A collection or a set. I'm gonna grab this one. More Mrs. Bella. And we found here the Amethyst Collection from BH Cosmetics for $5.99. What do you think, guys? What else? Oh, look at this. Another Cara Beauty San Francisco for $9.99. And these are the shades here. Nice colors. Oh, and we have some Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. What's this? Oh, yeah. I don't like Revolution. We have some BH Cosmetics here. Take Me Back to Brazil for $4.99. These are the colorful shades here. Some color. Another Cara Beauty. And you'll see here Scorpion Sting from BH Cosmetics for $6.99. Oh, cannot open it. And these are the shades. Nice one. And we have a Venom Gray. Take Me Back. That's this one. I found this one, Beauty Concepts White Chocolate. Interesting, hey? This is for $9.99. And let's open the shade. Yeah, neutral shades. Not my type. I've got lots of neutral shades there. Back home. What else? I think that's all. Oh, look at this. I got some BH Cosmetics bronze. Yeah, this is for $7.99. we have some optimistic ones here from ABH. Oops. Yeah, I think this is all. And we got some Revolution here. Palette, eyeshadow palette. For $9.99. Yeah, I think I want to get this one for $9.99, but I got the colorful ones too as well, so I'm debating. I'll be back with that. These are the nails.